Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. How are summers treating you, by the way, because Delhi is extremely hot and humid and today's weather is not the best compared to other days. Reason being, आज का मौसम थोड़ा धूप छाँव वाला मौसम है, तो light is not the best, so I had to switch on this artificial light. Otherwise, you know, I love filming in natural daylight, but today's weather is just not supporting me and I really want to film this haul video. So today's haul is not a typical makeup or a skincare haul video. It's a mix of things which can cater to every single member in the family of yours, from stationery, from lunch boxes to nice amazing coffee cup to cleaning things, your lens cleaning, a lot of things with a little bit of skincare as well. So everything will be linked and listed in my description and you don't want to miss out on anything, because I'll tell you, when I see this and when I bought all of these things, I can relate. A lot of you would just go ahead and buy most of the things because they are eye-catchy and they solve the purpose and they are really high in quality with an affordable pricing. And without any further ado, let's get started. So why not start the video with things which you can buy for kids, for your own kid, for somebody else's kid. You can buy as gifts as well. And I happen to pick up these things for my son's birthday. So first up, I picked up this very interesting stationery box. Now this box was pretty interesting. I really like the whole look of it and the quality. It has some stationery as well. So all the products I'm going to show you up in close up, which I have which will be attached. So yes, this box was pretty interesting. I really like the whole look of it. It is heavy duty, it's not flimsy, it's not cheap, and whoever will receive it will definitely love it. My son himself was asking me, just de do mujhe, de do. And I was like, no, just wait a little more longer. So yes, this is a nice stationery box for kids. Now next up, I picked up in like multiples. So I'm just going to show you one of each. I'm not going to show you all the multiples because it is going to consume a lot of time. So next up, I picked up this, again a stationery kit only, but not the box. So again, it has a very interesting set which has like 10 pencils. You have a nice eraser and a sharpener. So it's a 3-piece set. Again, it was very affordable. The quality is really nice. I have already opened one set just to check how it is and I really liked it. So I picked up this from a Facebook page. If you're interested, you can definitely try. But her pricing is really good, the packaging was good, and it really speaks out loud a good quality. So yes, again something which you can use it for gifting, like you can use it as a return gift. Next up, I happened to pick up this interesting cup, cum sipper, cum like a cup which you can directly use it like this, and then you can use it like this as well. You have a sipper as well. So this can be used by me, my husband, my son as well, because it has a sipper. You open it and then you can pour in your cold coffee, your hot coffee, because it is insulated, and it has a very nice silicone grip here, so it will not just slip off your hands. Now ऐसी चीज़ मैं बहुत टाइम से देख रही थी, I was seeing in a brand, and I'll tell you that was costing me around 1700. This costed me around, I think, 590 or 650 rupees. I don't remember exactly, but it was definitely around 650 or less than that. So yes, this is pretty interesting, very high quality, very nice, and it is from a brand only. So yes, something which again I loved buying, and I'm planning to buy another one. And it is again something good for gifting as well, because Delhi में winters होते ही रहते हैं, और अगर winters नहीं भी होते हैं तो भी you can use it for your juices, your shakes. In general, you can just fill in whatever you love drinking and just drop in your bag. It does not even leak. So yes, for those reasons I picked up, and I was eyeing something like this and I just got it like in like so affordable, so why not. Next up, I happened to pick up few odd tiffin boxes which I'm going to quickly show you, because ये बड़ा exciting part था, because ये वाले जितने भी boxes मैंने खरीदे ये सारे फर्स्ट क्राई, Amazon पे बहुत expensive हैं, एंड जहाँ से मैंने लिए वहाँ पे ये काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल थे, तो मुझे काफ़ी सेविंग हुई यहाँ पे. First up, I happened to pick up this kind of a lunch box which had a lot of color options she had, but I picked up the yellow one because it just speaks out loud and it looks just nice. So it's very pretty cute one, lightweight, and then it is stainless steel inside. I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you quickly. Everything you will see वैसे भी in close up. So this is how it is, and this thing comes off. So you can clean it nicely, and there you have a nice tiffin. So this I picked up for the age group of 4, 5, 6, 7 age तक. Anybody can use it, and it closes nicely. काफ़ी अच्छे से lock हो जाता है, and there you have the tiffin. So this is super light. Your kid can actually carry it in the bag and will not feel the weight. Next up, I picked up something very nice, sturdy and light. Again, a different box. So I picked up for my son as well, and I picked up as gifting as well. Again, ये भी dual वाला ही है, and ये भी निकल जाता है ऐसे. And again, I really like that fact that it is removable. So आप cleaning बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो. So अगर आपको टिफिन बॉक्सेस में इंटरेस्ट है, then you can definitely try these, because मैंने इसे पहले नहीं लिए थे. And next up, I picked up something for my husband, and this is round. And for basically when he goes to office, he wants to carry some fruits and all. For your kids also you can buy this. ये भी पूरा निकल जाता है. So and इसमें आप कुछ गरम भी दे सकते हो. Like if you want to send biryani, some pulao, some rice, you can send that also. और इसमें ये गरम हवा निकलने का है, and then you can seal it back in. So again, something really affordable I picked up. Now all of these things are available on First Cry as well. I'm going to leave the link to the First Cry, and I will leave the page link also from where I picked up, because price में difference है. मैंने काफ़ी पैसे बचाए हैं अपने. So I want my followers and my subscribers also to save some money and buy something good. So yes, this is again good. Now all of these boxes, tiffin boxes and the bottle which I showed you, everything come in their box. So to save time, मैंने सारे boxes से निकाल लिया. So for gifting also they are good. You just have to pack it and give it. So yes, very beautiful and very affordable purchase of mine, and I'm absolutely loving everything I picked up. So next up, I happen to pick up more anti-tarnish jewelry. So if you haven't seen my video called 5 Things I'm Obsessed About, watch that video. You'll know the whole story and the history and the geography behind it. But I'm a big lover of anti-tarnish bracelets. I don't wear random things in my neck because my neck is allergic. So what I'm wearing now is a white freshwater pearl. So pearls is something which really doesn't give me any kind of allergies. So anti-tarnish bracelets I love wearing. So I picked up like 6 of these. So one is packed, just to show you how it comes. This is how it comes. And I picked up like 5. I have these like 5 designs. So I'm just going to quickly show you together everything, because अगर मैं एक दिखाऊंगी तो बहुत time हो जाएगा. So this is how it is. So I picked up like 4 different designs, and इसमें का I picked up like 2, because this is very simple, very ethnic as well. You can wear it with Indian and Western. You can club in with your original gold kadas and nobody will know. And I really like this one as well, which has this nice red flower and then golden flower. So all of these are in gold. So yes, I'm obsessed. You clearly know, and you can clearly tell. So all of these again I picked up from a Facebook page, and you can grab these from any other website as well. But are you ready to pay 800 rupees? No. So check out Meesho as well, check out Amazon as well, and check out some other random pages, and then buy your anti-tarnish jewelry, because आजकल सब लोग बेच रहे हैं. So why do you want to put so much money on this? Because you will never be satisfied. तो आपका जी नहीं भरेगा, and you will keep buying. So I happen to buy like one of the kadas for 240 rupees. Sometimes I buy for 200 rupees. It totally depends on the pricing and from where I'm buying. But all of the jewelry so far I have bought, everything is spick and span, and I love wearing them. Let's move on to some skincare, because or else I will just keep talking. So skincare mein I picked up these 2 products from Moha. First up I picked up the aloe vera gel soothe moisturizer. Basically बीच में क्या हो रहा था कि my skin was peeling off by itself. Not by itself means I was doing something because of which my skin was peeling off, and I had a lot of dry patches onto my skin. Now you don't see it anymore because it just fixed everything. So to calm down my skin, and I had a lot of irritation onto my skin, so I picked up this, and this works. This really soothes. So anything plainly aloe vera gel is definitely going to work onto the skin. So yes, for those reasons I picked up this. So it was just an instant purchase I did. And next up I picked up the foot care cream by Moha, which I have used in the past. It's a beautiful foot cream, not for extreme cracked feet, but if you have like very dry feet, definitely invest in here because Moha makes some amazing good products. And मैंने तो ये तब यूज़ किया था जब Moha initially launch हुआ था, so it was like some 7 years back, and I still love it. So it is a beautiful foot cream. So when I was buying this, I just happened to pick this up because my foot cream was getting over. So yes, these are again two beautiful products by Moha. Moving on to another healthcare product, something for kids only. This is the Peepli and Thwak Baby Organo Churn. Now this is something which I bought for my son. When the weather changes in Delhi, I and my son both tend to get a throat infection, and he also had. This time I was like, I don't want to give him any allopathic medicine. I don't want to give him random cough syrups and antibiotics. Let me get this. So इसका concept बहुत simple है. ये powder format में I'll not open it because whenever I open it, a lot flies. So powder है ये, आपको इसे थोड़ा honey में mix करना है और बच्चे को दे देना है. No water to be mixed. Give it for 5 to 6 days twice and you will see his throat infection will be gone. You really don't have to give those antibiotics to your son. So son or daughter, sorry, I have a son so I keep saying son. But your kids, you can just give this and you can avoid those antibiotics and allopathic medicine. So for those reasons I picked this up. If it is very severe, obviously I have to go to a doctor. But for weather change problems, you can definitely introduce something like this. It's easy to use. Next up, Lenskart. So I did happen to go to Lenskart in between. I picked up 2 glasses for myself. I'm so happy to pick up the 2 glasses I picked up. OMG glasses, yes, it costed me a bomb as well. But let's not go on to the costing part. So whenever I go to Lenskart, I pick up one thing, very important thing for me is this Aqua Lens Cleanser. If you haven't picked up something like this for your glass cleaning, for your camera lens cleaning, for your laptop, ये सब कुछ कर लेता है. So I picked up this and this is not very expensive. It is for 150 rupees only. So I picked up this. And with this time I picked up the Lenskart Aqua Drop for instant relief for dry eye. So I have this dry eye issue because I constantly work on laptop. I watch TV, I watch a lot of documentaries and I watch a lot of podcasts, so yes, so for those reasons I picked up the drop as well. So this can be used by anyone. Once a day you can use it, not every single day. I use it like 10 days में एक बार, not every single day. So and it's not very expensive. So एक बार जब ये खोल देते हो ना आप, तो इसको आप 1 महीने या 45 days के बाद discard कर दो and you open the new one. So yeah, these 2 things I happen to pick from Lenskart. So these things are very important. Sometimes we do happen to neglect a lot of things, and plainly that lens cleaning wala solution, it's important because when you are investing so much on your glasses, you need to invest good amount of money to clean it as well. But that is affordable. You need that because उससे काफ़ी अच्छे से glass clean हो जाते हैं and there are no dust, there is no imperfection onto the glass while you're wearing it. So for those reasons I always keep a lens cleaning solution. Next up, I happen to pick a few things from Nykaa. First is the Bioderma Micellar Water. First time ever in my life I picked up this one because earlier I used to pick up only the Face Shop one and the Garnier one. So nothing I have, so I picked up this one this time. I just want to try how it is. So let me use it. I know it will work because the whole world knows that it works. Next up, I picked up something just out of desperation. But now I feel, why did I buy it? But then ठीक है. So I picked up the Bioderma Micellar cleansing foam. I generally don't like to buy a cleansing foam with micellar water because it tends to dry the face a lot, and I have a combination of oily skin, and sometimes it dries a lot. So I have not used this product, so I really don't know जो मैं सोच रही हूँ वैसा होगा. हो सकता है it must be a little hydrating in nature. Let me use it and let you know. But this is something which was just वो एक हरी फरी में मैंने खरीद लिया. So yeah, this is how the product looks like. It looks nice. I really like the packaging of Bioderma products, and it costed me 499 rupees. Moving on to another interesting product, something I've used in the past, and this I plainly bought because my skin has suddenly changed a bit. I don't know why. So to basically just to give a little extra hydration to my skin in the night, I picked up this product. Is the Nykaa Green Tea and Collagen Sleeping Mask. A sleeping mask can do a lot for your skin, but I personally believe that a sleeping mask is not something to be put every single day. It is something when your skin really needs it. So my skin needs it, that is why I picked it up. I picked up 2, I've already used one I'm left with, so I'm going to be finishing up that as well. Next up, I happen to pick up the Nykaa Skin Potion Glue Boosting Facial Oil, something I've used in the past. Again, something I believe in. I have used 4 different variants, and all the 4 different variants have worked onto my skin, and this specifically has worked wow. And this is something which I really wanted, because this will add a lot of hydration as well onto my skin. So the product which I showed you, like the sleeping mask, and this is plainly for my nighttime routine, not for my daytime routine. So yes, this is something I have loved, and I have done a dedicated video on Nykaa Skin Potions in the past. Do check that video out. It's a clean, in-depth original video I did, so watch that video. And since I was buying few odd things from Nykaa had some offer, something, so they gave me a free Nykaa E-Spice body lotion. So I've not used it, it's still sealed. Let me finish my other body lotions, then I will definitely get back to this one. So you already saw that I happened to pick up the sleeping mask and the oil for the face, and I happened to pick up a few other things for my hydration. A lot of hydration I need for some reason, I don't know why, because it's been almost 3 years that I've stopped using sheet masks. I just don't want to use them, but I have to use them now. I don't have an option. So all of these sheet masks, they came into a pack of 5. So I just wanted to buy like 5 to 6. I will use them and finish it off. So I bought 5. I recently bought these, so I'm going to be using religiously one, and one of them is for my husband. This one, the charcoal one, this is for him, and the 4 I'm going to use it. So yes, Garnier के sheet masks are good. I have used them in the past and I trust them. Now let's move on to some more interesting stuff which I happen to pick up. Next up, I have this Veet Professional ready to use full body wax strip. I've talked about it in the past also, that something I use. I don't go for my waxing, reason being I don't have hair growth onto my hands and legs, and I use them also like once in 6 months, so you can imagine. So yes, so I always want to have these around me. So mine was over, so I just stocked them up. If you are into your own waxing, and if you are like me, doesn't have anything and just want to just normally wax, you can definitely invest in here. Veet ने सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो इन्वेंट की वो थी ये. I clearly believe, I have never tried any other brand. If you have tried any other brand in this format, let me know. But I absolutely love this product. I've been using this product from the time, almost 5 years I've been using this. So yes, this is something really nice. And next up, I stocked up on my sanitary napkins. So in the last haul video also I happened to show you sanitary napkins from Kamisi, but I mentioned there that if I have to really suggest to you a pad brand, it has to be Lyga. So Lyga ने अपनी pricing and packaging थोड़ी सी और revamp कर दी है, but मुझे बहुत अफसोस और मुझे बहुत बुरा भी लग रहा है, उन्होंने pricing बढ़ा दी अपने pads की. Why? But this is more value pack. This is 30 pads you get for 549 rupees, and I happen to pick the size large. I think it is large, and it is moderate flow, so something which I absolutely love using during my periods. So बहुत अच्छा pad है, बहुत अच्छा absorption है इसका, and it does not make you feel tired, because sometimes I just do feel tired also with the random pads, and this is very comfortable. Like you will not even know that you're wearing a pad, and if you are someone like me who have heavy flow, these are the ones to go for. Now let's move on to some more products which are a little far away. Let me just grab them and show you. Now before I forget mentioning, the lipstick I'm wearing on my lips is the shade Nectarine from Color Chemistry. Nectarine, because I know a lot of you end up asking me a lip shade and I'm wondering which shade I was wearing, because sometimes what happens, if it is a clear shade, I know the shade, because there are a lot of time that I have to mix 2 shades, so then it gets very difficult to tell you a shade. That is why I don't even reply to those comments. I'm like, what am I supposed to answer? So yes, today's shade is Nectarine from Color Chemistry. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Something which if you are a sandwich eater and you want to really have that sandwich taste, then you definitely invest in here. This is the most inexpensive, affordable sandwich maker, manual sandwich maker. So I have the other one also, the जिसमें सैंडविच में ग्रिल नहीं होता, प्लेन सैंडविच वाला भी है, एंड आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू हैव द ग्रिल वन, बिकॉज कभी कभी आपको चिकन सैंडविच खाना है एंड ऑल दैट, तो उसमें ग्रिल सैंडविच अच्छा होता है. दिस इज हाउ इट इज़. तो बेस्ट पार्ट इसकी क्या होती है कि आपको एक अच्छा क्रंच मिलता है, एक अच्छा क्रिस्पीनेस मिलता है, एंड नथिंग स्पिल्स आउट, एंड यू कैन क्लीन इट अंडर वाटर, and it is nice clean for the next use. So for those reasons I picked it up, and it has a nice lock as well here. So yes, this is available on Amazon, but I picked it up from that Facebook page itself because she was selling and I was like, let me just grab it. So yes, my son loves eating chicken sandwich. I am more of a Bombay sandwich person. I love eating Bombay sandwich, so I love making them as well. So I use the other sandwich maker. Okay, next up we have the body lotion, which I love, is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance. ये मैं आज ही रिसीव किया है मैंने, and I just thought showing you. So I repurchased it again. So I've used like 5 tubes of it already. It's the beautiful lotion, and I've seen so much of skin correction onto my body with this. That is why I'm not going to any other lotion. Whatever I have with me, I'm using them, but I'm not technically buying anything. Like अभी आज मैंने आपको दिखाया, मुझे वो नायका वाला फ्री मिल गया, मैंने खरीदा नहीं. So but this is something which I've been constantly repurchasing and I'm loving it. So if you haven't seen the complete review, check out the review. But ये बहुत ही अच्छा हाइड्रेटिंग स्किन करेक्टिंग लोशन है. अगर आपके पैरों पे ड्राइनेस है, हाथों पे ड्राइनेस है, थोड़ा सा पिगमेंटेशन लग रहा है, use this for at least 2 months. You will definitely see some changes. If you are not seeing any changes, then you can stop using it and use something else. So I picked up that. Next up, I stocked up on some hand wash. So this I picked up from Amazon. So you can pick up this. This is a brand called Wiz hand wash. I have one more. I'm already using it. So I picked up this one plainly because it is 500 ml, 450 ml, and this is for 199 rupees. Further, it was discounted and I got for 150 rupees. So if you are someone who's looking for like a lot of hand wash, then this is something which you should look into. Quickly moving into this video, next up is something which I have been using past 2.5 years, and I swear by this. So if you are someone, or I think almost everyone, जिनके husbands हैं, बच्चे हैं, and people who generally wear collared shirts, collar के folds पे आपको वो मार्क्स मिलते हैं, पोल्यूशन मार्क्स होते हैं, डस्ट के मार्क्स होते हैं, स्वेट मार्क्स होते हैं, वो कैसे निकालें? तो वैनिश इज़ नॉट द ओनली सोल्यूशन, एंड आई डू फील इट्स अ लिटिल मोर हार्शर प्रोडक्ट फॉर द फैब्रिक. You might as well invest into something like this. This is by the brand called Bunny Hug Fabric Stain Remover. ये बहुत अच्छे से मार्क्स निकाल देता है कॉलर से, रिस्ट से, एंड अगर कोई माइल्ड मार्क्स भी है तो वो भी निकाल देता है. बहुत ईजी टू यूज़ है, काफ़ी दिन चलता है ये प्रोडक्ट, और ज़्यादा महंगा भी नहीं है. इस पर लिखा हुआ है 319 रुपीज़. ये जनरली आपको डिस्काउंट पे मिल जाएगा. तो अगर आपने ऐसा कुछ नहीं यूज़ किया है, यू मस्ट ट्राई दिस. So whenever I wash my husband's shirt or my son's shirt, because ये दोनों ही रोज़ यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं, so my husband wears a proper white shirt. Every time I wash, this comes pretty handy, and my son also has a white collar, so उसकी भी कॉलर गंदी हो जाती है, and this removes it like in seconds. So थोड़ा सा आप कॉलर पे डालो, थोड़ा सा hand rub, put it in the machine, and there you have it. So like in seconds, the stain is gone. Next up, something which I happen to pick up from an Ayurvedic brand. I think it's not Ayurvedic, it's more of a brand which sells a lot of spices, masalas, Ayurvedic oils, essential oils. So brand called Elephant Trunk. So I happen to pick up 2 different things from them, and I've used both of these 2 things and I'm loving them. So this is the Raksha body massage oil. Yes, you massage your body with this oil. Get yourself massaged with this oil, and you will definitely feel the difference. That yes, your body is relaxed, with all the pain you had in the body, it's gone somewhere, and you just feel so good of yourself. So yes, I am a person who gets body massage done, not every month, but jab bhi chahiye, I happen to use a good oil, and this is another invention, any discovery for me, and a good invention by Elephant Trunk. So yes, something I'm loving, and I've been using it. Next up, I picked up the hair oil, which I have been using constantly, and I'm just going to finish it off because every time I'm oiling my hair is with this oil only, and I'm seeing a very nice smoothness into my hair. I don't see frizziness into my hair, and it works. So this is the natural hair oil called Nalini. They have Nilambringini as well. So I have used Nilambringini in the past. So I wanted to try this one because this has other benefits. So you read the benefits first, you see what the oil will do, and then you decide what to buy. So Elephant Trunk is a brand wherein you can look for some good oils. So this is something again I'm loving. And lastly, something again which you must be using every single day for your husband tiffin and your kids tiffin is a food wrapping sheet. So I suggest do not use aluminium foils, or for that matter stop using those clean film as well, which is plastic. You please buy a food wrapping sheet. So I happen to pick up this oil proof food wrapping paper from the brand Allowed Creations. Something really nice. I picked up two. I'm already using one. The paper is super thin and it wraps the food well, and सच में वो oil absorb करता है अच्छे से, और ना खाने में आपको oil बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा. So आप ऐसा कुछ ले सकते हो. It is not very expensive as well. So I will leave a link to this product as well. So try shifting from an aluminium foil to something like this and stop using that clean film wrap. It's not good. It's not good at all. So yeah, this is again something which I use almost every single day. And there you discovered a bunch of interesting things for every single member in your family. आज सबके लिए मैंने कुछ ना कुछ दिखाया है. If you are interested in any of the things, everything will be linked and listed in my description. If I happen to forget any of the links, do let me know through your comments. I will provide you with the link. I hope you loved watching this interesting haul video. Consider giving a thumbs up if you really loved watching. Follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel at @BronzingGeek5. I will see you in another one. Till then, you take care and ta-da!